Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all of you are well, fine, safe inside your homes. So, now today, let us start with chapter 8 in English, that is Grandpa's Tree. So, let us begin with this chapter named Grandpa's Tree. So, before we start with the chapter, first let us find out all the hard words so that when these words will come in the chapter, it becomes very much easy for us to clearly understand them. So the first hard word is sapling. What do you mean by sapling? A young tree. So what is sapling? A young tree is what we call a sapling. Next is peg. P-E-G, peg. It means a short piece of wood which is placed inside the trunk of a tree to help you hold it, so that you can hold it. So it is a short piece of wood that is placed inside the trunk of a tree to help you in order to you can climb the tree easily. The next is hammered. So now what do you mean by hammered? It's secured with a hammer, with the help of which things become easy for you, not so difficult while climbing. Chin-ups. So now what do you mean by chin-ups? It is a form of exercise where you pull your body up to strengthen your arm. So where you have to pull your body up so that you can strengthen your arms. And its exercise is called chin-ups, like this. Next is miraculously. It means unexpectedly. So what do you mean by miraculously? It means very unexpectedly. So when things occur very unexpectedly in a certain manner, like this COVID-19, it just happened so unexpectedly that we did not know that we will have to wear masks and go everywhere wherever we roam around or go around. So that is unexpectedly been done. Went into automatic. It means done something without thinking. So there are many instances where you would have gone through that you don't think, you just do that thing without thinking much. So likewise it is said that went into automatic. It means you don't have to think much, it just goes on. So that is what we call went into automatic, which means done something without thinking. So we don't give it a thought, we just do it simply. So that is what we call went into automatic. Next is seventh hard word, that is steadied himself. So now what do you mean by steadied himself? It means balanced himself so that he does not fall. So in this chapter there's one boy, Eric, who's climbing the tree. So he has steadied himself. So he has balanced himself so that he does not fall. Next one is peered. P-E-E-R-E-D, which means looked closely. So when somebody is looking closely, this is what we call peered. P-E-E-R-E-D. Next is equipment. Here the spelling, here 2 times E is written, but the actual spelling is E-Q-U-I-P-M-E-N-T. It's only single E starting with capital E, that is E-Q-U-I-P-M-E-N-T. Equipment. Tools needed for a particular activity. So this is what we call equipments. It means all the necessary things or all the necessary tools which are needed for a particular activity. Next is planted. So what here in this chapter, planted word means stood firmly. It means any plant or any tree which is standing firmly. So this is what we call planted. Next is base, which is the lowest part of the tree. The lowest part of the tree is what we call the base, from where it starts. Next one is hesitating. It means that took a pause before stepping up on the peg. It means hesitating means that rukavat, what we call khichkichat, what we call that there's some problem, we are not doing it properly or nicely just the way we want, but there's some problem or we are facing some difficulty. So that is what we call hesitating. Many a times you all students also hesitate to answer. Why? Because you all think that this answer will be wrong, others will laugh at me. So this is what you are hesitating, you are not giving the answer. So this is what we mean by hesitating. So that was all for these hard words. Now in the next video we will be looking at the chapter. So that was it for today. Thank you and have a nice day.